In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Skool community referral code. Whether you're looking to extend your network or get others to join the vibrant Skool community, knowing how to effectively use and share your referral code can make a big difference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to seamlessly integrate this into your Skool experience. First things first, you'll need to log into your Skool account. It's important to ensure you're on the home page, where you'll have access to all the necessary features. Once you're in, direct your attention to your profile picture, typically found in the top corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and select it. Navigating to this area will allow you access to all the personal and account-related settings. Within the settings, you'll notice a tab dedicated to affiliates. Open this tab to find your unique referral link. This is the key element you'll use to invite others to join Skool. By sharing this link, you not only encourage others to become a part of the community, but potentially earn rewards as well. Make sure to copy the referral link carefully to avoid any errors. It's literally your golden ticket to expanding your network. Now, with your referral link in hand, it's time to share. Consider who in your circle could benefit from joining Skool. This could be friends, family, your professional audience, or even your social media connections. Sharing the link through various platforms increases your chances of successful referrals, so feel free to get creative. On the flip side, if you've been given a referral link from a Skool affiliate or community owner, or if you're exploring Skool as a new member, you'll want to make the most of it. Begin by clicking the referral link you received. This action is crucial as it defines your entry path to Skool and ensures that the referral is appropriately tracked. After using the referral link, you'll be prompted to sign up for a new Skool account if you're not already a member. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Should you already have an account, simply log in and then continue with the necessary steps to integrate the referral. Particularly if your intention is to create a new Skool group, ensure that the group is set up through the referral link provided. Skool operates on a 14-day last-click attribution window. This means that the referral link must be the most recent one used before you sign up to ensure it's properly credited. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Skool community referral codes. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building connections and making the most out of your Skool experience. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.